Hey guys, this is Stephanie and I'm doing a YouTube tutorial today on a sunset inspired makeup look. First I'm going to start off with Professional by Benefit, and it's a pore minimizing face primer. Next I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. under eye primer. This is the Photo Focus foundation by Wet n Wild in the color Golden Beige, and I'm using an e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. Now I'm going to use my dual-ended contour stick by Wet n Wild in just the contour side. And I'm going to blend it with a Tarte dual-ended contouring brush. Using just a little bit of the product to contour my nose and the remainder of my face. And I'm going to comb my brows using a crown brush. Going in with the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream, I'm going to define my brows using another crown brush. Next I'm going to use the Chella Under Eyebrow Highlighting Crayon to define my brows and also to prime my eyelids. Going in with the Sonia Kashuk brush, I'm just going to blend that out. Next I'm going to apply a thin layer of Mary Kay Loose Translucent Powder and using a Mary Kay Mineral brush to apply. Didn't end up actually using that one. We're going to go in with the e.l.f. Sunkissed Bronzer in Warm Tan using a Mary Kay powder brush. Going to highlight with the Wet n Wild Rainbow Highlighting Powder and using a Luxie brush. Highlight the nose, cupid's bow, chin, cheeks, ready to go. I'm going to apply a quick little lip balm by Noya in peppermint flavor. And then go with my Art in the Streets eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild. Yes, it's a little busted. Love this palette. Love to death. And I'm going to apply that using a sponge applicator just to really pack on the color well. Starting with the orange shade, then merging into yellow on the outer corners. Catching that fallout. And using a Mary Kay smudging brush, I'm going to blend the orange and the yellow together in the middle. Now I'm going in with the Treasure Chest palette I've been using as a mirror and going in with the color Topaz on top of the yellow. Combing them lashes out. Now I'm going to go in with the yellow as well using the Mary Kay eye smudge brush. Next, using a crown brush, I'm going to grab the green color and kind of create a swoop over the top of my crease. Looks easier than it was. Using a random brush I got off of Wish, I'm going to go in with the blue shade in the Art in the Streets palette and kind of define the green a little deeper. Next, using an eyeshadow brush by e.l.f., I'm going to go in with the color Crystal in the Treasure Chest palette by Mellow. It's a very vibrant white. Now I'm going to use the brow gel by Mary Kay to set my brows in place. Using the Douce Punk Volumizing Mascara, I'm going to do one quick coat now and then touch up at the end with the second coat. This is a Fantastic Plastic Pink blush by Wet n Wild. Just going to plop that on real thick with a Mary Kay powder brush. And this is a Sugar Matte as Hell lip crayon. I'm going to dab off that lip balm from earlier and then apply the crayon. Pout it out. And then define the eyes with a Wet n Wild automatic black eyeliner. Following in, we're going to go with a Laritzi Retro Red Lip Pencil, and I'm going to use as an eyeliner to create this sunset rainbow effect. Let down that hair, girl. That's it.